Hey guys, so as you can see, I got the 4 brackets done for the steps for the truck. They actually look pretty good for us eyeballing it, basically. Don't worry, they're not bent, it's just at different angles. I did all 4 of these. I had to cut out the other 6 pieces, like I explained in my last video. So they're looking pretty good, actually. While I was doing that, Dad started working on our splitter pipe. It was perfect for the ruler. Put the ruler over top of 2 pipes. These were 2 at one point, 2 different pipes. We marked them both, and then we cut it, and then welded them into one. That'll be for the splitter pipe for the stacks in the back of the truck. So that part's basically done. We just got to figure out which route we're taking it to the back, because there's drive shafts and stuff in the way. So we'll get to that probably on Wednesday. I'm going to drill the holes for the frame and the holes for the step to go on and bolt it down. And then once that's done, we're going to primer and then paint. Alright, so once we get them drilled and painted and stuff, sorry the video cut out, my dad's phone ran out of storage. But back to what I was doing before, the brackets are going to get painted and drilled out, and then we're going to put them on. Probably just going to paint them black, like most of the stuff we painted on the truck. Then the windshield, that's going to be later on. It's going to be a pain in the butt. It's still soaking in that stuff that we got for the ultrasonic deep fryer. What's it called? Oh, evaporust. It's sitting in a cooler, Coleman cooler, and yeah. If it works, I guess. But them bolts are pretty bad. We were thinking about drilling them out, but if we can get them out without having to, we're gonna do that instead, and then just replace the bolts afterwards. But Dad just went in to start making supper, so I'm gonna start wrapping things up out here. A couple little things that we just been tinkering on. So since we're putting that step on, I figured I'd clean everything up, and I sprayed it with JB80. So I got all the color back down there in that panel right there. I brought some red out in the bottom too. It's kind of weird. It's orange and then red and then black and then brown and then orange and then black. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Here, you can kind of see reflections now out of it a little bit. That's what that clear coat will do though. But I figure I'll let you go. I gotta go in and get some food in me. But we'll be back Wednesday to finish up putting these brackets on to get the steps on. And then, what else? Oh, start the exhaust. Once we can figure out how we're going to start the exhaust, it should go pretty quick, I hope. So that'll be done. Then we're going to do a couple little custom wires ran to the key and the push button. And then we're going to try running it, if we can get that rear brake to unlock. Because if we can get that to unlock, we can roll it out and start it. And whatever else we need to do then. But, alright guys, I'm going to let you go. And I will see you guys very soon. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.